Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you may follow us on Facebook for more delicious and business recipe. Let's get started.
Mix about 1 tablespoon of magic sarap to the 2 pieces of small eggs. Once incorporate, set aside the scrambled eggs for a while. Prepare another large bowl. Put 1/4 kilo or 1 big can of giniling to the large bowl.
Kindly watch this video until the end for the complete recipe and costing with its business name.
Three grams of ground white pepper. 2 sachets of magic sarap. Don't worry, this amount of magic sarap won't make your food too salty. 5 pieces of small banana saba. 1 piece of small egg. Mix it while mashing the banana saba. Six pieces of garlic cloves. 4 pieces medium red onion. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix it until incorporate. Set this aside for a while after mixing. Prepare the aluminum foil to pack the mixture. Next, spread a little bit oil to the aluminum foil to avoid sticking to it the banana embutido. Get about 1/3 cup of mixture and transfer it to greased aluminum foil.
If you wanna know how much to sell it, please watch until the end.
You may follow how I pack it.
Don't forget to like and follow our Foodypar page on Facebook. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you may follow us on Facebook for more delicious and business recipe.
Once done packing it, set it aside for a while. Pour enough amount of water to the casserole. Cover the casserole or steamer and wait until boiling in medium heat.
If you wanna know how much to sell it, please watch until the end.
Once boiling, uncover it and place the raw embutido. Then cover it again and steam the embutido for 40 minutes in medium-low heat. After 40 minutes, carefully remove the embutido from the steamer. You may remove the foil from the embutido even still hot. Once unfoil the embutido, coat it with scrambled egg that we prepare or layer. Next, coat it well with breadcrumbs. Now it's time to fry the coated embutido. Make sure the cooking oil is completely hot. Fry it until golden brown in medium heat. Carefully remove from the oil the embutido once golden brown.
Now, it's time to taste it. If you are curious to its taste, then it's time for you to make this delicious recipe for you and for your customers to earn big profit. You may forward this taste test to take down notes the complete list of ingredients and costing of this negosyo recipe.